Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and priming the earbuds. Charge the case and both buds until the LED indicates full, because low battery prevents pairing. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it near, but away from other active Bluetooth devices to reduce interference. Then remove both earbuds from the case. They enter pairing mode automatically when LEDs flash. Make sure both LEDs are blinking. This is the signal the Life P2i is ready to be discovered by your device. Next, pair the Life P2i to your phone. Open Bluetooth settings and scan for new devices. Select Soundcore Life P2i from the list. Confirm any pairing prompts and allow necessary permissions like media audio. Once connected, you'll hear a voice prompt from the earbuds. If only one bud connects, put both back into the case for about 10 seconds to reset their sync, then remove them together to re-enter pairing mode. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth profile supports audio streaming for best results. Finish by confirming functionality. Play audio and place a short call to verify mic and channel balance, because real-world testing reveals issues missed during pairing. Then open the Soundcore app to check for firmware updates, which often fix connectivity and performance bugs. Install updates while earbuds are connected. If things go wrong, reset both earbuds by pressing and holding their buttons for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair from scratch. This solves most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.